Alrighty, so we're going to look at the fetch method, um, which grabs items within an array. So let's say we have this array, A for array, set the foo symbol, bar string, into integer. Okay. Um, and then if we want to get the string bar out of that array, we could say A fetch, and then we pass it the index of where that string bar is, which is 1, which returns the string bar. Okay, so then if the index is negative, then it's going to count from the end of the array. So if we say A fetch -1 and hit return, it's going to give us 2, because this -1 is going to make it count backwards from the end of the array, which is going to go, and then it's going to grab the 2. Okay, and then if you say -2, it's going to return bar. Now with arguments index and default value, it returns the element at the offset index if the index is in range. Otherwise, it returns the default value. So for instance, if you say A bitch, pass it 1 as the first argument and nil as the second argument, it returns bar. I don't fully understand how that works exactly. Maybe you can let me know in a comment below or something. I don't know. Let me just read it again out loud. Maybe it'll work. Let's see. With arguments index and default value, returns the element at offset index if index is in range. Otherwise, returns default value. Okay. So let's just do it again, and we'll just make the index out of range. We'll just say 5, because I know I don't have an index of 5. So, okay, so that returns the default value of nil. So if we say a fetch 5, and then we say Steve the dog, it's going to return Steve the dog. I get it now. Okay, so what it's saying is, with arguments index and default value argument, returns the element at the offset index if the index is in range. Otherwise, returns the default value. Let me just paste this in here for you. This is directly from the Ruby doc core documents on the ruby-doc.org website. That's actually what it says. That's actually what I'm reading. With arguments index and default value, returns the element at the offset index if index is in range. Otherwise, returns default value. Alrighty.